Good afternoon, welcome to the channel Retired Don't Give Up 2.0. A technician is coming today to service the air conditioner. We'll see how well he does compared to the last guy.
Nè ơi, con à, không tóc nè dài.
So we are getting our air conditioning serviced. It was leaking. The plug, we felt that the drain must have been plugged, and so it was leaking water. We were very worried it was getting on the TV. We had a guy come in about a month ago to service it, and all he did is go out the back and take a hose and hose down the compressor and charge us $400. And I told Katai that I didn't want that guy to come back. So this is the technician that installed our air conditioning unit in our bedroom. And he's got this thing under control. He's got high pressure hose. And he's got that fully apart. He's using high pressure hose. He's got it set up so that the water goes down into a bucket. And he's being extremely careful not to get any water on the TV. And this is how it's done properly, people.
Crap. I
also told the other guy I wanted the air conditioning unit recharged, and that wasn't done either. So, and apparently the gentleman who installed this air conditioning that took 3 days, that's a video you gotta watch. When I first came here, we brought this air conditioning unit from Chiang Mai. I had bought it and had it installed in the house there. And well, the guy that came to do it, again, not knowing who to get, apparently this guy spoke a little bit of English and he said he could do it, so he had to install the electrical panel down there and everything else. And of course, if you watch the video, you can see my frustration. I mean, he didn't start working outside until the afternoon, where the afternoon 40-degree sun heat was hitting us. And I did everything I could to help him, but it was just ridiculous. But the incredible thing was, it took him 3 days to install this air conditioning unit. Yes, the first day he didn't get there till the afternoon, and yes, the second day he had an emergency, so he was gone for the afternoon. But again, 3 days to install this air conditioning, and now I find out he's informed us the whole unit is about 3 to 4 inches too high, closer to the ceiling, so the proper circulation for the air going down and in is restricted. Who knew? At any rate, he's going to do the best he can to adjust it, because there's a hole through the wall, so you can't really drill a new hole. You can't take all this down, and of course, with everything out. He can't take it all down with everything outside. It's just not gonna happen. So he's gonna do his best to adjust the pipe and maybe lower it a little bit, and he's gonna do what he can. And hopefully this will be more efficient. I mean, the truth of the matter is this is a 1800 BTU air conditioner. It should cool this room in minutes, and it never did.
ยี่บอกคุณว่าจะเสียงดังมากหรือครับ
Yes. What? 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 Oh yeah, you know, might be a bit hot. He's now out pressure washing all the parts. Guess we have an advantage to having a balcony with a drain and so forth. So, hey, I planned that. Of course, that's where it comes out through the wall. And, yeah, the drain is there. And he's, you can see where he's got the drain going into a bucket. And he's cleaning it out the best he can. Apparently, there was dirt that had really got right into the whole unit. It was that dirty and it needed to be cleaned. I think we got the right guy for the job.
สแมนเทนมันเริ่มสแมนเทน
Very good job.
Okay. Okay, he's done. Air conditioning's working like it's supposed to work. Blowing cold air. Yeah, as you see, that was a very extensive cleaning job that he did. And when we got down to the final how much, he told us 400 baht. And that's what I paid the other guy, 400 baht, to just hose off the unit. And off he goes. I gave him 500 because it just didn't make sense to pay the other guy 400 and he did nothing. And this guy actually did the repair. You just don't know who you're going to get, but this time it was the second time around, but this time we got it done right. And yeah, and I don't have to worry about the water dripping on my TV and damaging my TV, because that's absolutely the last thing I'd want to have happen. So all's well that ends well. Until next time, bye for now. And remember, just don't give up.